From time to time, even I like to enjoy the crisp. Simple, yet elegant. I don't want these now. I want them when they're ready. When they're ready to be digested. Time is just a guide. To finish this off, nice bit of butter. Squeeze it. Squeeze it into the crisps. Get it in there. That's the little bit that I like to use. That's my twist. That's my secret. Some parsley. This is how I enjoy my crisps. This is how I make my crisps. And it's all a little secret of how I add the butter. Never tell the customer. Never tell your guests. Let the heat from your hand melt and infuse the flavor. I don't like cats. I don't like them. They don't taste